Today, we're diving into the Waveshare Jetson Orin Nano AI Development Kit, a powerhouse for embedded and edge systems. This kit is packed with features, starting with the Orin Nano module boasting 8GB of memory and offering up to 20 TOPS 40 TOPS AI performance. But that's just the beginning. The inclusion of the Jetson IO base board expands the peripheral interfaces, making it a breeze to connect M.2, HDMI, USB, and more. This means you have the flexibility to tailor your setup to match your project's requirements effortlessly. One standout feature of this kit is the complementary 128GB NVMe solid-state drive. With high-speed reading and writing capabilities, it's the perfect companion for tackling large-scale AI projects. Say goodbye to storage limitations and hello to seamless development. Connectivity is key, and Waveshare doesn't disappoint. The pre-installed AWCB375NF wireless network card supports Bluetooth 5.0 and dual-band Wi-Fi, ensuring a fast and reliable connection. Plus, with 2 additional PCB antennas included, you can trust that your wireless communication needs are covered. In summary, the Waveshare Jetson Orin Nano AI Development Kit is a game-changer for AI enthusiasts and developers alike. With its powerful performance, expansive connectivity options, and bonus storage drive, it's a must-have for anyone looking to take their AI projects to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.